Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to focus on 4 essential statistical measures that help us understand and analyze data. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of mean, median, mode, and range. Mean. In statistics, the mean is a measure of central tendency that represents the average value of a set of numbers. It is calculated by adding up all the values in a dataset and then dividing the sum by the total number of values. The mean provides a central value that can be useful for summarizing a dataset and making comparisons between different sets of data. However, it's important to note that the mean can be influenced by extreme values. There are outliers in the dataset, making it sensitive to such values. Unlike the mean, that represents the average, the median is the middle value of a dataset when it is ordered from least to greatest. If there is an even number of values in the dataset, the median is the average of two middle values. The median is particularly useful when dealing with datasets that may contain outliers, as it is not influenced by extreme values in the same way as the mean. It provides a robust measure of the center of a dataset. Now let's look at an example to understand median much better. In the first case, we have odd numbers of data points. After arranging in ascending order, we can see that the number of data points is odd, so the median is the middle number, that is 10. In the second case, we have even number of data points. After arranging the data in ascending order, we can see that we have 4 data points, which is an even number. So the median is the average of the two middle numbers, which are 14 and 18 in this case. So we get the median to be as 16. The mode is a measure of central tendency that represents the most frequently occurring value in a dataset. Unlike the mean, which represents the average, and the median, which represents the middle value, the mode is the value that occurs with the highest frequency. In a dataset, you can have unimodal distribution, bimodal distribution, multimodal distribution, and no mode. Range. In statistics, range is the measure of the difference between the maximum and minimum value in a dataset. It provides a simple value to assess the spread or variability of the set of values. The range is calculated by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value. But always keep in mind that range is very sensitive to outliers, as it depends solely on the extreme values in the dataset. As a result, it may not provide a complete picture of the overall distribution or variability of data, especially in the presence of extreme values. As we now have a brief idea of what is mean, median, mode, and range, let's try to learn how to use them in Microsoft Excel with examples. In this example, if we want to find the mean of the following data points, then how can we do it? Write equal to, then write average, open bracket, and then select the range of cell containing the data points. In this case, it will be these cells. Close the bracket and press enter. And the mean of these data points is 4.33. Now, let's look at how to calculate median. In case of median, write equal to, write median, open bracket, and then select the range of cell containing the data points. In this case, it will be these cells. Close the bracket, press enter. And now you can see that the median of these data points is 4.5. Now, let's look at how to calculate mode. Similarly, for mode, write equal to, and then write mode, open bracket, and in the range of cells containing the data points. Close the bracket and press enter. And then you can see that the mode is 1. Now, let's look at how to use range. Since range doesn't have an inbuilt function, we have to use max minus minimum. So let's write is equal to max, the range of cell containing the data points, close the bracket, minus min, open bracket, range of cell containing the data, close the bracket, and press enter. So this is how you can find the range for a particular dataset. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for turning in. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, stay curious. See you.